welcome to Lisa B. Thank you so much for joining me. Today we are going to do a 15-minute interval challenge. You can work as hard or as easy as you want. Everything can be modified. I would say this is more of an intermediate, but again, modify it. You can make it beginner. Do it twice through to get 30 minutes of some serious core and full body workout. So yeah, thank you for joining me, and let's get started. I'm going to press my timer. So we're going to do 50 seconds on, 10-second break in between. We've got 15 exercises to get through. So 50 seconds. First is bird dog. So wrists under shoulders, inhale, opposite arm, opposite leg, and as this is a nice little warm up. Tummy muscles should be in. Imagine you've got a glass of water on your pelvis. Oh my goodness, and smile. Just feel generally glad to be alive. That's how I'm feeling today. I'm feeling a little bit hyper. So who knows what could happen. I'm up to 375 subscribers. I'm so close to 400. I'm going to be so excited when I get there. Keep pulling the tummy muscles in. Squeeze the bottom, get that leg nice and straight, point the toe. Keep breathing. 10-second break. Our next exercise is it's a push-up to lie down Superman. I know that you know exactly what that means. Take your knees back, cross your ankles. So lie all the way down. Extend the arms, extend the legs, bend the knees, push up. And again, lower down, extend the arms, lift, push up, abs are in, lower down, straighten everything, lift everything. Keep going. So really squeeze the bottom as you lift the legs, pull the core in. This is great. Arms, abs, glutes. Few more seconds left. And then we've got side plank clam lifts. So coming into a little side plank, elbow under the shoulder, we're going to lift the hips and open. So you can have the hips down here to make it a little bit easier. Tummy muscles are in, feel it in the bottom. So this is the full move. I'm just going to modify, keep going. So you can have the hips down. Make sure you're pulling this lower ribs away from the mat if you're lying down on the elbow, if the hips are down. Go back to this position. So this is really great for your glutes, but keep pulling the core in. Keep breathing. Keep going, you're doing really well. You should be feeling the upper body. Keep pulling the abs in, feeling it in the bottom. And down, other side. Switcheroo, elbow under the shoulder. Palm down, try not to make a fist. Try not to bring any tension. Bend the knees, lift. Tummy muscles are in. Glute strength is so important. I talk about this a lot. I can't even tell you how passionate I am about having a strong bottom. Now there's a sentence. There is a sentence. Let me say that again. I am passionate about having a strong bottom. My God, that made me feel powerful just saying that. Tummy muscles in. Always a little bit harder on the second side because you're a little bit tired from doing it the first time. God, that's got to be 50 seconds by now, surely. Keep breathing and done. Next exercise is dead bug. So let's lie down, get in position, float the arms up, relax your shoulders, lift one leg at a time. Inhale to straighten the left leg, right arm goes behind you. Exhale in. Inhale, exhale. Keep it nice and slow. Really straighten that leg, point the toe. Tummy muscles are in, lower back into the mat the whole time. Don't let your lower back lift. This is great for abs. I can't even tell you how good this exercise is. It's one of the best exercises you can do for your core. Keep the neck nice and long, so you should be looking straight out and up above you. Try not to be tucking the chin. I'm done. Next exercise is corkscrew, then we're going into the rollover. So come onto the forearms. This is not funny. This ain't no joke. So lift one leg at a time. Chest is open, don't sink. So straighten the legs. You're going to draw a circle without the lower back lifting. Change direction, draw a circle with the legs. Movement comes from the hips. Modify it, bend the knees, draw a circle with the knees. Straight legs are harder. Don't let your lower back touch the mat. So my lower back is off the mat, my chest is open. I'm not letting anything move apart from the legs. Point those little tootsies, point those tootsies. Legs are nice and straight, you're reaching away with the legs. My core is shaking. Oh my God, let me know how you feel. And down, going into the rollover. So core, use your triceps into the mat, press your hands down onto the mat, take an inhale, exhale belly in, lift one leg at a time, straighten the legs. Now inhale, exhale, roll over. Get the legs parallel to the floor, flex the feet, widen the legs as wide as the mat, roll down. Don't look at the screen whilst you're doing this, look straight up at the ceiling, you'll hurt your neck otherwise. Inhale, exhale, lift. Widen the legs, flex the feet, roll down with control. Don't do what I'm doing, I'm looking to the side, I'm just looking to see how it looks on camera. Inhale, exhale, up and over. Use the hands, open the legs, flex the feet, roll down vertebrae by vertebrae. Might have time for one more. Oh, we haven't. Let's roll down. We'll go into obliques. Feet can be down on the mat, so hands behind the head, open the elbows, lift your head and shoulders, lift one leg at a time. So straighten the leg, lift the shoulder up and over towards the bent knee. Change over, add the flow. So both legs are moving at the same time. Tummy muscles are in. Imagine the ribs sliding towards the hips. Keep that elbow open. Keep breathing. And you're lifting the shoulder, you're not just closing the elbows. It's none of that business, don't do that. Should be really feeling this in the obliques, so side of the abs. Exhale as you lift. And rest. What's next? So then we've got a single leg glute with a kick up. Oh, yes. So, going to take your right leg up towards the ceiling, flex the foot. So now we're going to lift the bottom. Now lower this foot towards the floor. So point the toe, lift, lower the bottom, flex the foot. So lift the bottom, point the toe, lower, lift, flex the foot and down. And lift, point the toe, lower, lift, flex the foot and down. And lift, point, drop, kick and down. Keep going. Tummy muscles are in. Really feeling this in the left glute. You can always do this. Cross the ankle over if that gets a little bit much. Other side. Oh, really feeling this. Gets a little bit hamstringy. We'll stretch the hamstrings at the end. Left leg up, flex the foot. Get ready to push through the right foot and lift. Now point the toe, lower, lift, flex the foot and down. Lift the bottom, point the toe, lower the leg, kick it up, flex the foot and down. So you're getting a really nice calf stretch whilst you're doing this. Keep looking up towards the ceiling. So as you flex that foot, you feel a good stretch in the calf. Abs are in. Try and keep the hips level. That's always a bit of a challenge to do with these single leg glute bridges. Keep going, last few seconds. And done. And then we've got the roll up, so straighten those legs. I love the roll up. So go smooth. It is smooth, the roll up is smooth. Inhale, exhale, lift. Peel your vertebrae off the mat, peel the back, go forward into a stretch. Round the back, come up with a long spine, take an inhale, exhale down. Vertebrae by vertebrae, head is the last thing. Inhale, exhale, lift. So again, don't use momentum. We won't get many done in 50 seconds, but it's good because you don't need to do loads. The roll up is challenging. Go nice and smooth. Go slowly. Don't let gravity take you backwards. Use your abs on the way back. Probably get a couple more in. See what's next. So we're nearly there, we're nearly there. Teaser, teaser, tabletop legs. So let's roll down, pull the belly in, lift one leg at a time into tabletop. So now you can either use your hands onto the hamstrings, roll up, balance in half boat, pull the core in, roll back down, vertebrae by vertebrae, or inhale, exhale, lift, let the feet lower down, bring the calf muscles back to parallel towards the floor, arms up, inhale, exhale, lower, vertebrae by vertebrae, inhale, exhale, lift. Tummy muscles in, thighs should be feeling this. Couple more. See that one, that was a struggle. And rest. And then we've got staggered push-ups. So let's, little bit of arms, let's give that core a little bit of a break. Let's adjust the leggings. Staggered push-ups, one hand in front of the other. The hands are not even. So push up, change the hands over, one hand in front of the other. They're not in a straight line. Change over, you've got it. Tummy muscles are in. This should be work. If this is easy, I guarantee you haven't got your knees back further enough, or you're cheating. You're only cheating yourself. Makes me sad. I feel like I can see you. I feel like I know if you're cheating on press-ups. Keep breathing, keep pulling the belly in. Arms should be feeling it. Keep swapping those hands over, moving one forward, one back. And then we've got just a plank hold. Just a plank hold, she says, 50 seconds after those press-ups. I'm going to do a high plank. Feel free to do a forearm plank. Tummy muscles are in. Shoulders are flat, so try not to be rounded or being in this position because that's a down dog, my friend. And breathe. Plank's always hard after those push-ups, but that's why I do it. Our next exercise is the jackknife. Oh my goodness, get excited about the jackknife. It is serious. Remember, you can always have a knee down on this plank, or both knees, and down. So let's get ready, let's lie onto our back. We're nearly there, we're nearly at the end of our 15 exercises. So jackknife, start the same as the rollover, inhale, exhale, up and over. Now hands, I'm going to take them to my lower back. I'm on my shoulders, not my neck. I'm going to float my legs up, point the toes, belly is in, lower the legs, Hands down, use your triceps, roll down. Legs on the horizontal, don't let the head lift. Inhale, exhale, lift. And float. Let's do it without the arms. Legs down. I'm going to do one more. Oh, we're there, we're there. And then we are going into double leg kick. So let's lie onto the stomach. So coordination, feet are together, hands just on the lower back, rest the head down. 2 kicks, point the toe, flex the feet and float everything up. Open the legs, hands come to the side, look down. Hands together, feet together, look to the other side. 2 kicks, point the toes, flex and lift. Belly's in, squeeze your glutes, straighten those legs, hands together, feet together, kick, point the toe, flex the toe and lift. Abs in, straighten those legs, feet together, hands together, 2 kicks, 1, 2 and lift. And down, 1, 2 and lift. And down, last time, 1, 2 and lift. Let's just hold here a few seconds and done. Tricep dips are next. So the arms, really back to the arms, lovely back of the arms. Let's get some tone in there. So place your hands behind you, either going to bend the elbows and lift, or let's add a challenge by lifting the bottom. So bend the elbows, you're not just dropping the bottom, you're bending the elbows. Should be feeling this in the back of the arms. So the bottom and the hips are lowering, but remember to bend the elbows. Sometimes people just do that. They don't really focus on the elbows bending. And then we are there, people. Then we are there. We are done. Elbows should be going directly back behind you. Oh my goodness, didn't that feel good? Let me just pause that. Oh, felt amazing. So you could, what you could also do now is go back to the start and do that again, but feel free to just think, nah, I've done 15 minutes, that's enough for me today. That's also good. Thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed it. Please let me know. Please subscribe. I cannot tell you how important it is that you subscribe. It just helps me to do these videos and keep the channel going and keep the channel going and growing. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful day and I hope to see you soon.